Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to allow others to use your public Reels original audio on the Facebook app using a PC based on the latest update. If you create Reels and want more people to engage with your content, enabling others to use your original audio is a great way to expand your reach. It lets your sound travel across the platform while keeping you as the source. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. A new panel will appear giving you access to different account settings. Go ahead and click on it, and then look for the section labeled Reels. Once you're inside the Reel settings, find the option that says Allow others to use your original audio and remix your future public Reels. Click on it to open the available choices. You'll now see different options for how your audio can be used. To keep things controlled while still allowing sharing, select Original Audio Use Only. This means others can use your sound, but within the limits set by Facebook. After choosing that option, make sure to click on Save to apply your changes. If you skip this step, your settings won't be updated, and that's it. Your original audio is now available for others to use in their Reels, helping you reach a wider audience and grow your presence on Facebook.